The traditional 5-quart narrow version, or the K5A WJ, has little hooks on either side that hang onto the pegs at the side of the stand mixer. But the first thing you'll do is make sure your stand mixer is unplugged. Remove the beater and the bowl from the stand mixer. Then raise it into the up position. This gives you the extra room you'll need to maneuver the water jacket into place. The jacket goes on this stand mixer by tipping it backwards, with the C-shaped openings facing you. Then lower the bowl handle. Attach the bowl and the beater you'll be using. Then you'll raise it back into the up position. Fill the water jacket with ice or hot or cold water. Plug the stand mixer back in and get ready to prepare your recipe.